Hi, my name is Matt Sorensen. In this video, I'm going to be showing the assignment for weeks 3 and 4. There's not enough time to really explain all this stuff in under 5 minutes, so I just kind of have to run through it. For the first one, got to create an array of integers. Did that. Then I'm supposed to subtract the value of the first from the last. That's correct. And this one, prove it's dynamic. That shows that it was correct. 73 minus 3, or 77 minus 3 is 74. Next one, we're supposed to calculate the average age, and I summed it all, divided the sum by the length, and that printed out that, which is correct. Next, we're supposed to do the same thing with strings, and calculate the average number of letters per name, and this one came out to 3.83, which is correct. And then we're supposed to, the next question is to concatenate all the names together. As you can see, I was able to do that. These ones don't really need an explanation because I was already done in the previous question. Number 5, create a new array of integers with name length. And so this is defining, calculating the amount of numbers per each, or the amount of characters in each element. As you can see, 35354, 35354, and so on. 6, we're supposed to calculate the sum of all the elements in the array. So it's going to go through, calculate the sum, all those numbers added up is 23. Next is for the method section. Wanted me to create a method that concatenates a word by X number of times. As you can see, I chose the word Billy and did it 5 times. I printed out Billy 5 times. That's correct. This next method takes 2 strings, first name and last name, and returns a full name. I chose my name, Matt Sorensen, and printed out Matt Sorensen. The next one is that takes an array of integers and returns true if all the sums greater than 100. This is how I went about it, and as you can tell, this is sum greater than 100. Since that's 99, it's going to return true. Next one takes an array of double and returns the average of all elements in the array. I showed that I could do this 2 different ways, but the enhanced for loop was most simple. So for each element, divided by the, it takes all the elements in the array, given array, and then adds that to the sum, and then returns the sum divided by the length of whatever array. That was 10. And as you can see, I chose 10, 10, 10, 10. The average there is 10. Question 11 is comparing if array X is bigger than, if the sum of everything in array X is bigger than array Y, you got to create 2 variables to hold each. We created 2 for loops in order to add those to the variable, and then just an if statement divided each by the length, and if that's true, it returns true. And as we can tell, we go up to 11 here, and some of that definitely bigger than that, so it returned true. 12. This method determines whether whether you're going to buy a drink, and it has to be, it's going to take Boolean, it's hot outside, versus and money in the pocket. And if it is hot outside and money in the pocket is greater than 1050, return true. Else, scroll up here to 12, and since that is true, money in the pocket is 11. Showing that method is written out like that, it's returned true because. And the last one, we were supposed to create a method of our own. And so I did one similar to the last one. This is time to go to bed. It takes Boolean, have you eaten, and determines the time. If I've eaten and it's past 2200 hours, which is 10 o'clock, return true, else return false. Question 13 shows that I have not eaten. It's not, but it is time to go, or it is late enough and can't go to bed yet because I got to eat first.